The Michigan Aerospace Manufacturers Association is on a mission to make Michigan a space state. Beginning with announcements of both horizontal and vertical launch sites, the association has now revealed their plans for a command and control center. Introducing the Chippewa Homestead Antenna and Mission Program, also known as CHAMP. Led by the Chippewa County EDC and Oakman Aerospace, CHAMP provides an ideal location sustained by a team of industry experts who will now begin work to make the Michigan Launch Initiative's goals a reality. Located strategically between two MLI launch sites in the Upper Peninsula, the Chippewa County International Airport, or CIU, is situated in the heart of a large, interconnected transportation hub, where indigenous workforce development will be prioritized to support command center operations with high-paying jobs. The site is also home to Oakman Aerospace's small satellite ground station called Homestead, which sits atop the proposed home of the MLI Command and Control Center. With its Mission Operations Center in the adjacent building, Homestead serves as a critical pathfinder and risk reduction effort for the CHAMP Mission Operations Center. The Control Center will be outfitted with state-of-the-art technology to optimize workflow and productivity. Beyond the proposed building, the site can accommodate multiple secure facility options to satisfy requirements of a wide range of government and commercial customers. An analysis of the Homestead antenna's connection to the MLI vertical launch site near Marquette shows that the CHAMP site is in a prime location to assist with both vertical and horizontal launches to provide real-time telemetry from the launch vehicles. These continued communications offer a unique strategic advantage during the critical launch phase of a satellite's mission. The MLI Command and Control Center will support space architectures of the future. Imagine if we leveraged hybrid architectures and mesh networks to enable seamless operations of distributed teams and technology. Imagine a world where the Department of Defense, intelligence community, coalition, and commercial space systems integrated together in a distributed collaborative environment. The CHAMP team is independently working on these integrated architectures, which will play a large part in ensuring Michigan becomes a space state. Leading the CHAMP team, Oakman Aerospace specializes in complete end-to-end space systems architectures, enabling collaborations between disparate systems. Oakman's Acorn product is a scalable, expandable, and rapidly reconfigurable space system modeling and simulation environment. Its Modular Open System Architecture provides open, standardized interfaces to facilitate communications between disparate systems. This foundational capability has been iterated on to facilitate collaborative, distributed architectures for a variety of different uses such as complete space ground chains, distributed collaborative space system development environments, and cloud-based research and development labs. The CHAMP team is working on the phased operational approach and concept of operations necessary for successful implementation to meet the proposed MLI horizontal and vertical initial launch capability dates. Oakman Aerospace, as the systems integrator, will design, develop, and implement the MLI systems architecture and capture the interface control documents between Marquette and Oscoda. In concert with our teammate, Centauri, CHAMP will provide turnkey mission operations capabilities for our government, coalition, and commercial customers. CHAMP has experienced overwhelming community support from public, private sector, and international entities. Now, CHAMP's work to help make Michigan a space state officially begins. Space in Michigan is looking up.